Kita sa video.
Ayaw ba yun?
Jambe.
Hello. Tol.
Tagay, hanggang mamatay.
Tagay until you die. So we're very thankful that through you we have this event. So yeah, thank you very much. And I would like to ask Tristan to say something also.
Hello. Okay, looking forward for, this is a start, no? So we're looking forward for many things to come, opportunities to come with you, Pupusan. Our team is, I think, very ready, you know, to accept challenges from anything that you give us. This is on the beginning. We hope we can have more collaborations in the future, both CPH and CGH. And together, I think we can do so much, many things, as long as a team, we will cooperate with each other. Again, thank you for your time, and I think tomorrow you go back to CGH and to your family. And we hope to see you again here in the CPH, maybe sometime. Welcome and thank you.
Now let's start singing. Singing party.